Hi guys, welcome back to my class. This is Rosen Gonzalez, your math teacher.
Linear inequalities in two variables. Let's differentiate linear equation to linear inequality. So ano bang pinagkaiba ng linear equation at linear inequality? So linear equation is an equation that can be put in a form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So kapag linear inequality naman, an inequality that can be put in the form ax plus by plus c is less than 0, ax plus by plus c is greater than 0, ax plus by plus c is greater than or equal to 0, ax plus by plus c is less than or equal to 0. So kapag linear equation, gumagamit siya ng equal sign. And then pag linear inequality naman, ang ginagamit ay greater than, less than, greater than or equal, greater than, less than or equal. And ano pa? So ito yung mga example. So we have 2x minus 4y plus 16 is equal to 0. So gumamit ng equal sign. 5x is equal to 2 minus 6y. Y is equal to 6x minus 12. And then for linear inequality naman, example, we have x plus y is less than 10. 2x minus 4y plus 16 is greater than 16. Y is greater than or equal to 6x. Y is less than or equal to 2x minus 1. So for graph naman, anong pinagkaiba nila? So, kung titingnan natin dito sa linear equation, ang solution niya ay lahat ng matatamaang point doon sa line. Ito lang. Ito lang yung solutions natin. Pero kapag linear inequality, lahat ng shaded part, yun yung tinatawag nating solutions ng equation na yun. So let's identify if the given point is a solution of linear inequalities in two variables. So example A, identify whether 1 and 2 is a solution of inequality. 4x plus 3y greater than 2. So paano natin ma-identify kung yung point 1, 2 ay solution siya nitong inequality na to? So we have 1 and 2. So ang x natin dito ay 1 and then ang y natin ay 2. So substitute natin dito sa equation na sa inequality na 4x plus 3y greater than 2, 2. So palitan natin to ng 1. So we have 4 times 1 plus, eto naman papalitan natin ng 2. So 3 times 2. Then copyhin natin ito. And then simplify. 4 times 1, we have 4. 3 times 2, we have 6. And then copy. So add natin. So we have 10. And then, so we have 10 greater than to 2. Tama ba yung lumabas dito na yung 10 ay mas mataas sa 2? Since tama, ibig sabihin, this is true. Ang ibig sabihin nun, si 1 and 2 is a solution of 4x plus 3y is greater than to 2. Paano kapag sinabing false? Halimbawa, ang nakalagay dito, ang lumabas dito ay 1 is greater than to 2. Ibig sabihin false. Diba? So, kapag ganun yung lumabas, ibig sabihin ito ay not solution. Another example. So, same inequality pa rin tayo. Pero ang point natin is 1 and negative 1. So, ang x natin is positive 1, then y natin is negative 1. Okay, so palitan ulit natin to. So 4 times 1, and then 3 times negative 1. And then copy. 4 times 1, we have 4. So positive 3 times negative 1, we have negative 3 greater than 2. So subtract natin. We have 1 is greater than to 2. So ito, kung titingnan natin, sabi dito, 1 is greater than to 2. Mas mataas daw si 1 kesa kay 2. Which is wrong. Ibig sabihin, this is false. Kapag ganon, ibig sabihin, si 1 and negative 1 is not a solution of 4x plus 3y greater than to 2. Another example. Identify whether 4 and negative 3 is a solution of inequality y is less than or equal to 5 minus 2x. So, ang point natin is 4 and negative 3. So, we have x is 4 and y is negative 3. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng less than or equal? Less than, mas mababa, or pareho sila. So, palitan na natin si y ng negative 3. And then, copyhin natin. Minus. So, itong x ay papalitan natin ng 4. So, we have negative 2 times 4. And then, bring down. So, bring down ulit. Simplify natin ito. So, negative 2 times 4, we have negative 8. Less than or equal to 5 minus 3. Subtract natin. That is negative 3. Negative kasi mas mataas sa 8. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? True or false ba? Kung titingnan natin sa taas, ang nakalagay less than. Si negative 3 ay less than ba kay negative 3? Hindi. Kasi pareho sila. Pero kung titingnan natin sa baba, meron siyang or equal. Ibig sabihin, kapag pareho yung lumabas dito, this is also true kasi merong equal sign. Pero kapag wala tayong equal sign dito, ang nakalagay lang ay negative 3 less than negative 3, that is false. Since meron tayong equal sign, ibig sabihin this is true. So ano ibig sabihin nun? 4 and negative 3 is a solution of, so we have y is less than or equal to 5 minus 2x. Example D, identify whether 0 and 4 is a solution of inequality y is less than or equal to 5 minus 2x. Okay, so we have point 0 and 4. So, ang x natin ay 0 at ang y natin ay 4. So, substitute na natin. Ang y natin is 4. Then, less than or equal to 5 minus 2. Ang x natin ay 0. So, simplify natin. We have 4. And then, less than or equal to negative 2 times 0. So, we have 0. So, cancel na siya. Okay? So, we have 4 is less than or equal to 5. So, tama ba na 4 is less than or equal to 5? That is true. Kasi, di ba, 4 is less than to 5. Tama naman na mas mababa si 4 kesa kay 5. So, meaning, 0 and 4 is a solution of y is less than or equal to 5 minus 2x. Example E, identify whether 2 and 3 is a solution of inequality y is less than or equal to 5 minus 2x. So we have 2 and 3. Ang x natin is 2 and ang y ay 3. So palitan na natin yung y ng 3 and then less than or equal to 5 minus 2 times ang x natin ay 2. So simplify natin. So, negative 2 times 2, we have negative 4. Then, simplify natin to. So, we have 3 is less than or equal to 1. So, we have 3 is less than or equal to 1. So, kung titingnan natin, 3 is less than to 1. This is false. Meaning, 2 and 3 is not a solution of y is less than or equal to 5 minus 2x. Now let's identify the solutions of linear inequalities in two variables using its graph. Example A, we have 3x plus 4y is greater than to 12. So dito gagamitin natin si y is equal to mx plus b para makuha natin kung ano yung graph. Okay? So we have 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. So we have 4y is equal to, lipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative 3x. Kasi ito ay positive, pag nilipat sa kabila magiging negative. And then kopyahin natin tong positive 12, so lalagyan natin plus sign, and then 12. And then gagawin natin, divide natin both sides by 4 para matanggal natin to. So cancel, matitira na lang is y is equal to, so since walang divisible, ito na yung sagot. So we have 3, negative 3 over 4x. And then 12 divided by 4, that is positive 3. So kunin natin si b tsaka si m. Ano yung b natin? So kung titignan natin, ito yung b. Ang b natin yung nasa dulo or yung constant lang, which is 3. And then ang m natin yung kasama ni x or coefficient ni x. That is negative 3 over 4. So graph na natin siya. So, paano tayo mag-graph? Titignan natin si b. Since ang b natin ay positive 3, so titingin tayo sa y-axis. So, ang positive 3 natin ay eto. So, since etong m natin is negative, ang gagawin natin ay pababa. Okay? So, bababa tayo ng 3 kasi yung nasa taas natin ay 3. So, we have 1, 2, 3. And then since yung nasa baba natin ay 4, at since ito ay negative, papunta tayo sa kanan. Ng 4 na beses, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So ibig sabihin, ito yung isang point natin. So ito na, meron na tayong 2 point. Okay? So ang gagamitin natin dito ay broken line. Bakit broken line? Kasi, yung inequality symbol natin ay greater than lang. Kapag ang inequality symbol natin ay greater than or less than, ang gagamitin natin line is broken line. Okay? Ibig sabihin, itong line natin ay hindi kasama. Hindi siya included sa solution. Pero kapag ang nakalagay dito is greater than or equal, ito yung straight line. Okay. So, yan. So, ngayon, paano natin malalaman kung aling side dito, kung dito ba o dito, yung solution natin? So, una, if the origin make the inequality true, shade the half plane containing the origin. Sabi, gagamitin natin si origin. So, ang origin natin is 0 and 0. Okay? So, ang x natin ay 0, ang y natin ay 0. Sabi dito, kapag yun daw ay naging true, yung sagot, isi-shade natin yung may 0. Pero kapag ang lumabas ay false, hindi natin to isi-shade. Ang isi-shade natin yung kabilang side. Okay, so test na natin si origin. Okay, so ang gagamitin natin ay 0 and 0. So we have 3x plus 4y is greater than to 12. So palitan natin ito ng 0. So we have 3 times 0 plus, palitan natin ito ng 0. 4 times 0 greater than to 12. So 3 times 0 we have 0. 4 times 0 we have 0 greater than to 12. So we have 0 is greater than to 12. So kung titingnan natin, we have 0 greater than to 12. Is this true or false? So that is false. So according dito, kapag ang lumabas ay false, ang shadan natin ay yung wala si origin. So since nandito yung origin natin, ang shadan natin yung kabilang side kasi ang lumabas dito ay false. Ganun. Pero kapag ang lumabas dito ay true, ang shadan nyo kung nasaan si origin. Example B, we have 2y is less than or equal to 4x minus 8. So gagamitin pa rin natin si y is equal to mx plus b. So ayan. So same pa din. So we have 2y is equal to 4x minus 12. Kasi nakaayos naman na siya. Okay? So gagawin natin, divide natin both sides by 2 para ma-cancel to. So 2 and 2. So cancel, we have y is equal to 4 divided by 2. We have 2x. Negative 8 divided by 2, we have negative 4. So kunin na natin si b, tsaka si m. Ang b natin ay ito, negative 4. And then ang m natin ay yung katabi ni x. Pero since ito ay walang denominator, kapag walang denominator si m, lalagyan ninyo ng 1 sa baba. And then graph na natin. So since ang b natin ay negative 4, titingin ulit tayo kay y-axis. Negative 4, ang negative 4 natin ay nasa baba. Okay, so si m, ito yung magsasabi kung taas o baba. So since ito ay positive, papunta tayo sa taas ng ilang beses. So titingin kayo dito sa numerator kung ilang beses kayo maglalakad. So we have 2, 1, 2. And then yung baba, kung ilang beses kayo kakanan, kakalawa. So, since positive to, papunta ito sa kanan. Ayan. So, meron na tayong graph na to. Ngayon naman, bakit hindi broken line yung ginamit nating line? Okay, so kasi kung mapapansin nyo, yung inequality sign natin dito is less than or and equal. So merong equal sign sa baba. Ibig sabihin, itong line na to ay included sa solution natin. Kanina kasi, ang meron lang tayo ay greater than. Kapag ang meron dito is greater than or less than, broken line. Pero kapag may equal sign na sa baba, ang gagamitin natin yung pinaka-straight line. Okay? So, test na natin si origin. So, paano i-test ulit si origin? Kapag ang lumabas ay true, ibig sabihin isi-shade natin yung merong origin. Kapag false naman, isi-shade natin yung wala si origin. Okay? So, we have 0 and 0. Okay, so we have 2y is less than or equal to 4x minus 8. So, palitan natin to ng 0. And then si 4x, palitan natin ng 0 sa x, minus 8. So, 2 times 0, we have 0. 4 times 0, we have 0. So, copyhin natin. So, 0 is less than or equal to negative 8. So, eto, 0 is less than and equal to negative 8. Tama ba? False. Bakit? Kasi mas mataas si 0 sa lahat ng negative number. Kasi negative 2 eh. Diba? So we have false. So according dito, kapag false, ang isi-shade natin ay yung wala si origin. Ito si origin at ito ay false. Ibig sabihin, ang shade natin yung kabilang part. So, ayan. So, ibig sabihin, itong naka-shade na to, ito yung solutions ng inequality na ito.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe.